Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to report a pin on Pinterest. Maybe you come across a content that violates Pinterest community guidelines. So today I'm going to show you how to report a pin on Pinterest. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, find the pin that you want to report. Once you have selected the pin, tap on the three dots icon located in the top right corner of the pin. A window will pop up, and here you will see several options. To report the pin, tap on this Report Pin option. A new window will appear, and here you will be asked to select a reason for reporting the pin. Choose the option that best fits the reason why you are reporting this pin. Pinterest offers several options for reporting content, including inappropriate content, spam, misleading information, and intellectual property violations. Once you have selected the appropriate reason, you can also choose to block the user if you don't want to see any further content from them. Once you are done, tap on this report button. After that, Pinterest will then review the content and take appropriate action. If the content violates their community guidelines, Pinterest may remove the content or take other measures. There you go. If you wanted to know how to report a pin on Pinterest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to report a pin on Pinterest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.